The idea that we're all living inside a giant computer simulation has officially broken out of science fiction and into serious, scientific debate. But here's the thing. Almost every popular argument you've heard for the simulation theory gets one fundamental detail wrong. A 2017 study into quantum physics revealed something that doesn't just question the simulation hypothesis. It suggests that simulating our universe is computationally impossible with the physics we currently understand. And the reason why is somehow even stranger than the idea of the simulation itself. Section 1. The seductive idea. Let's be honest, it's one of the most compelling questions you can ask. Is any of this real? Or are we just characters inside some unbelievably advanced computer program, like a cosmic game of The Sims? For decades, this was purely a sci-fi thought experiment, made famous by movies like The Matrix. But recently, the simulation hypothesis has found its way out of theaters and into the conversations of some of the world's sharpest thinkers. When tech billionaires and Oxford philosophers start taking an idea like this seriously, people tend to listen. The most well-known argument comes from philosopher Nick Bostrom. In 2003, he laid out what he called the simulation trilemma, arguing that one of three possibilities has to be true. First, any civilization advanced enough to create a hyper-realistic simulation of its ancestors will almost certainly destroy itself before it gets the chance. Second, a civilization reaches that godlike technological level, but, for whatever reason, has absolutely no interest in running these kinds of simulations. Or third, we are almost certainly living inside a computer simulation. His logic is pretty straightforward. If civilizations can build these ancestor simulations, they won't just build one. They'll build thousands, maybe billions of them. And if that's the case, the number of simulated people would dwarf the number of real people in the original reality. So based on pure statistics, the odds that you are one of the simulated minds, rather than one of the original biological ones, are astronomical. That argument is powerful enough on its own. But what really gives it a scientific edge is how bizarre and almost digital our own universe seems at its most fundamental level.